He survived that. Purple's a little sweaty, but we're winning. I think might have something to do with the fact that I'm distracting them. Okay, I got them right in front of our base, eh? I'm on purple. Ugh. That's fine. I got purple on me up my arse because they're camping our base, but that's okay. I'm good. You guys you stick with milk. I'll get back to you when I can. He's dead. I keep getting stuck on crap, man. The hell?
Mm.
I want to know how that guy's staying alive. Not now. Good job. I'm definitely going to get more assists this round. Because I had the one team who's definitely holding on to me there for a while. Where'd he go? Where'd he? Oh, I see him. I see him. His ass is dead now. Good job, guys. Yeah, come down the stairs. Pardon? Yeah, I don't care. A win's a win, bro. I'm good with either. He's dead. I got that one. I'm good either way. All right. Let's see what happens. I'm taking a photo of this one, by the way. This will be a screenshot win. I'm telling you.
Send it to Art and be like, you were right about not changing teams.
Yeah, I will. I'll be like, Art, hey, you were right, buddy. Good job. Good call. Oh, they're going in the middle. Watch yourself. I just watched them drop down. Oh, I got a ganker behind me. Just realized it.
I just barely got you with that shield.
Thank you very much, because I thought for sure he was taking me down. He came out of nowhere. So he's either a gank or he's really fast, but he pinned me down, so I'm going to go with gank. Are they down in the middle again? I got Buddy coming through the door. Oh, and I got hit with something. I can't get out of it. Thank you. Healing up. Got him. I see him. There's one that just went and viz outside. I got the guy on running down the stairs. Coming back up, guys.
There he is.
Yeah. Oh,
Got him.
It's okay. I've got my sentry up and I don't see him. So, did he die?
Yeah, fall damage finished him off.
All right, good enough. Right below me. So there's a pet out there.
I got knocked off the side. Coming back up.
I don't know how that guy's staying alive. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know how the hell he's staying alive. Oh, we're definitely taking a picture of this one. This was a dominant performance, FYI.
Okay, I really like that guy's name on the enemy team, though. Mr. Heal Your Girl.
All right.